Hi, madlang people. This video talks about sets, relations, and functions. Let's define set first. A set is a collection of objects which are called elements of the set. If an object if an object A belongs to a particular set S, then write A is an element of S. If A is not an element of if A is not an element of S, we write A is not an element of S. Here are the commonly used symbol in sets. We have R. Actually, hingani dyan siya dapat og porma. Oopsie. Wait lang. Mhm. That is, dapat hingani na siya, but R also is okay, accepted. That means set of all real numbers. We have Z, set of all integers. Q, set of rational numbers or quotient of integers. Rational numbers like 1/2, mostly mga fraction form. 1/2, 3/4, mga ano. Then N, we have the natural integers or set of positive integers. Now, when we talk about natural integers, kato sa lang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up to infinity. Positive infinity. While the real numbers, katulad sa lang negative numbers, the 0, and the positive numbers. Ayan. That is... Now, let's have the next one. There are two ways to represent the elements of the set. First, we have the Rooster Method. It lists down all the elements. Example, set A is the set of counting numbers less than 6. So, for the set notation, we have, kasi sinabi niya set A, so A yung gagawin mo. A is equal to the set 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bakit hindi kasali si 6? Kasi ang sinabi lang less than 6. Pero kapag sinabing less than or equal to 6, then dira pa nimo pwede i-include si 6. Or equal to 6. Ayan. This is a finite or finite set with cardinality of 5. Now, cardinality, this means pila ka buok elements. Number of elements sa imong set. Number of, oopsie, elements in a set. Set A, kay naaman tayo 5 ka um, elements. Therefore, the cardinality is 5. Next. We have set builder. This is the second way to represent the elements of the set. We have set builder notation. This presents the elements by stating their common properties. It is also useful when describing finite sets. I mean infinite sets. This looks like this. Set A is the set of counting numbers greater than 6. So, set notation, we have the set of X such that, pagbasa natin ha, the set of all X such that, etong symbol na to, this bar, represents the such that X is a counting number and greater than 6. Alright, where now we have, now let's have another one. We also have subset. If A and B are sets, the A is called a subset of B, written by this symbol, A, tapos etong parang C. This one is for the subset of B if and only if every element of A is also an element of B. In symbols, we have it like this. This means that for all elements of x, if x is an element of A, then x is an element of B. Anong ibig sabihin? The A is called a subset of B. So, parang ganito siya. If I have a box here, we call this one set B. And then I have a circle inside, and I call that one set A. And then inside the set A, I have an element of um, the numbers 1, 2, 3. We can say that 1 is also an element of B kasi nasa sa loob ng B. If and only if nasa loob din si A ni B. The phrases A is contained in B and B contains A are alternative ways of saying that A is a subset of B. A is a subset. Subset. So, set siya, pero kanang set siya nga naa sa sulod sa isa ka set. Okay. So, like this. I have a bigger set, that is B, but meron siyang mini set or subset, that is A. Next. Next, it follows from the definition of subset that for a set A not to be a subset of set B, that there is at least one element of A that is not an element of B. A is a subset of B means that there is at least one element of X such that X is an element of B, then X is an element of B. Basically, it still talks about yung kaninang representation ko. Now, we also have a proper subset. Let A and B be sets. A is a proper subset of B if and only if lahat ng element ni A is na kay B. But there is at least one element of B that is not in A. Ayun. Ordered pairs, yeah, parang ganito lang siya. Given elements A and B, the symbols A, B denotes the ordered pair consisting A and B together. So, for example, sa Cartesian plane, 'di ba? Minsan sinasabi ng teacher, what is the ordered pair for this point? What is the ordered pair for this point? Asa na yun? You have that one. Ano yung ordered pair nito? The ordered pair for this one, say, andito si 1, and then ito si 2. Then we can say that the ordered pair of point A is at 1, 2. That is ordered pair. Oopsie. Then, next, we have function. Let's define function. A function f assigns each element x of a set A to a unique element y of set B. In symbols, we have y is equal to f of x. Diba kasi kapag equation, sinasabi natin equation, we have y is equal to x plus 2. This is an example, of an equation. Pero if we talks about function, commonly used symbol, we have f of x is equal to x plus 2. Ayan. They just differ sa symbol, pero in mathematics, meron talaga yan silang malaking difference. A function f assigns each element of x to a set A, to a unique element. So, kapag ang x mo, if your x is equal to 1, what will be the value of your y? If your x is equal to 2, what will be the value of your y? Parang ganyan. You will pair a element to your y given the value of your x, or pwede rin siya an element of your y paired to your x. A function can be described in the following ways. We can have it verbally, equations or formulas. We can also do it by diagrams. I hope you can still remember the following. functions, I guess na